Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to draw a beautiful Buddha's painting. I will show you how to do it step by step process. So let's start. So the first step is to draw the outlines. I have used the grid method to draw the outlines and the photos link is in the description. You can go and check it out. So I'm going to start with the background. For the base layer, I'm going to apply the sky blue color, and after that I have used the dark blue for the dark shades. And for highlights, you can use white color. And as you can see, I am not blending the background. By the use of strokes, I am doing it because more the background is blurred, our subject will look nice. So now coming for the hair part, now for the base, you can apply black color. And after that, by using a earbud or even a paintbrush, by doing like this small circles. And for the highlights, you can use white color, and inner part of the circle you can draw a small dark blue color. Now coming to the face, you can use sky blue for the base, and again for the dark shades you should use dark blue. As you know, while drawing you have to go by light to dark, and if you want to make the painting look realistic, you have to do good shading and reflection by using white color. Now by using the same steps, I am doing the ear part and neck part. And now for the clothes, I have used for the base yellow color, and after that I have used light orange color. Now at last you can draw a beautiful lotus by applying a pink color for the base again, and for a darker shades of the outline you can use a dark blue color. So then now our painting is ready. Hope you liked the video. If you, please like and subscribe my channel. So let's meet in our next videos. Till then, bye.